like the blizzard is here. Didn't get much yet, maybe 4 inches or so, but we're supposed to get, I think, up to, I don't know, 12 inches. Horses are all good, Skid? You think so? Good boy. You got your ball? Where's your ball? Where's the orange ball? Where is it? Oh, there it is. Good boy. Your snow dog, Skid. What you doing with your ball? Skid. Your snow dog. Your snow dog. Where's your ball, Skid? Where's your green ball? Let's go this way. Come on, let's go. Bye. Okay, let's go find your ball. Come on. I think it's over here. There it is. Good job. There's your ball. Let's go. Atta boy. Where are you going with the ball? Where are you going with the ball? What you doing with the ball? Get the ball. Get the ball. Get the ball. Good boy. Hey, this way. Come on, let's go this way. Wow, got a lot of snow overnight. Could barely get the gate open. That's how much snow's on the water trough. Skid is guarding the gate, making sure the horses don't run out. But they're busy eating. The snow is so deep I can't get the quad and trailer over to the main herd. So I'm just pulling 2 square bales one at a time over there so they can eat their breakfast. What do you think, Skid? Whew, a lot of work. You should help me pull this. Hey? I'm coming, guys. I'm coming. Morning, Cud. Well, everybody's fed, happy. It's still snowing. This is all the snow I'll be already pushed up. Not letting the herd out today into the field because I would need to check fences first, and most likely, yeah, some of them are down. So, and I'll be busy doing snow removal. What are you doing, puppy? This kid loves it. He doesn't have to work in this. It's peaceful, but I'm sure glad I don't have to go anywhere today. You don't even look like my dog, Skid. You're such a snow dog. So much snow. Hi, snow dog. You're a snow dog. You digging, Skid? You digging in the snow? So much snow, Skid. Run! You're too loud. You're too loud. Let's go. Let's go see the horses. Let's go see the horses. Let's go. Are you a bunny? Are you a bunny? I know, it's fun for you, isn't it? Daylight now. Still snowing. What do you think, puppy? Let's go back to the house now. Come on. The house is this way. Hi, pup. Got some snow horses here. Are you guys hiding in the shelter? The blizzard's over. Hey, old girl. Come on, Skid. Ooh. Hi, guys. And there's Bandit, our oldest boy. Who's nibbling here? Hi, bud.